हेलो बच्चों, हाय पूरी ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ पर्सनल यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम लोग क्लास 6 राजस्थान बोर्ड इंग्लिश का चैप्टर नंबर 13 द कंप्यूटर पढ़ने वाले हैं। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। टुडे कंप्यूटर्स आर बैंक्स used not in the big factories, industries, shops and the hotels but also in homes। आजकल कंप्यूटर से बड़ी बड़ी फैक्ट्रीज, शॉप्स और होटल्स में ही नहीं बल्कि घरों में भी काम आते हैं। डू यू नो हाउ अ कंप्यूटर इज मेड एंड हाउ इट वर्क? क्या आपको पता है कि कंप्यूटर कैसे बना है और इसको वर्क क्या है, कैसे वर्क करता है? सो लेट अस ए कंपनी Anjali and Ankur who are going to visit a computer factory. Mrs. Surani Singh, the neighbor of Anjali and Ankur, works in a computer factory. One morning, Anjali and Ankur go to the visit her in the factory. They are taken to the demonstration room where Mrs. Singh receives them. Anjali, good morning, Auntie. Mrs. Singh, good morning, children. Anjali, Auntie, we hope we have not disturbed it you. Mrs. Singh, no, not at all. It's a pleasure. Please have a seat. What can I do for you? Anjali, well, Auntie, in fact, we have come here to know about the. Mrs. Singh, really? Well, I would certainly like to help you. Look, this is one. It is nothing more than grains of sand. These grains of sands are called the silicons. These form the base of thousands of very small transistors and the microchips which make the computer. Anjali, it's really interesting. How was it invented, Auntie? Mrs. Singh, well, my dear children, do you know what a calculator is? Ankur, yes, Auntie. A calculator is a machine which makes addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the division fast and accurately. Mrs. Singh, right. Now listen. The world's first calculator was developed in China. The Japanese son soon picked up the idea and developed better calculator. In the 16th century, the Russian improved upon it. The first electronic computer was built at the University of Pennsylvania in the US in 1946. It was a huge machine. Computers of different size have been built since then. Anjali, thanks Auntie for giving this information. Ankur, now Auntie, please tell us how a computer is useful. Mrs. Singh, you know, at railway station and big hotels, it is used for making the reservation. In the bank, it can keep the accounts easily. It is also used in the homes. Ankur, in homes, why do people like to have it in the homes? Mrs. Singh, well, it is very useful machine for homes. It can provide the information like telephone number, address, keep the accounts and pass on messages. It can provide the interesting games. It may teach the children. Ankur, can it teach Auntie? Mrs. Singh, oh yes, it can. Books are slowly being replaced by the computers in many countries. Anjali, really? I cannot believe it. Mrs. Singh, now I will show an interesting thing. Look, there is a toy car on their table. Now I will push this button of the computer and the car will start. It can control its speed, change its direction or stop it with the help of computer. Ankur, look Anjali, how interesting. Mrs. Singh, and look at the big computer. It may tell us if there is any fault in any machine in the factory. A computer can also keep the information and tell us when we need it. It works almost like a human brain. Anjali, Auntie, I think a computer is a substitute for human brain. Mrs. Singh, no, not really. A computer cannot feel or think like a man. It hasn't got the common sense. It is just a support to our brain. Uncle, where can we learn, Auntie, how to use a computer? Mrs. Singh, well, the computer science is being taught not only in the colleges but also in many schools. Anjali, thank you, Auntie, for this information. We would like to join such a course. बच्चों, कैसा लगा आपको ये चैप्टर? आई थिंक आप लोगों को भी कंप्यूटर क्लासेस ज्वाइन करनी चाहिए, कंप्यूटर में इंटरेस्ट बढ़ाना चाहिए, क्योंकि इन फ्यूचर सभी चीज़ कंप्यूटराइज हो जाएगी. इवन हमारे बुक्स भी कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी कंप्यूटर्स में, जैसे कि अभी लॉकडाउन के सिचुएशन में हुआ था. हेलो बच्चों, हाय पूर्वी ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ पर्सनल ट्यूटर चैनल. आज हम लोग क्लास 6 राजस्थान बोर्ड इंग्लिश का चैप्टर नंबर 14 ओपनिंग एन अकाउंट पढ़ने वाले हैं. सो स्टार्ट करते हैं. हैव यू एवर विजिटेड अ बैंक? क्या आप कभी बैंक गए हैं? डू पीपल डिपॉजिट मनी इन द बैंक? क्या आप लोगों ने कभी बैंक में जाके पैसे डिपॉजिट करे हैं? डू दे हैव द अकाउंट इन द बैंक? क्या उनका उसी बैंक में अकाउंट होता है? एंड डू यू नो हाउ अ बैंक अकाउंट इज ओपन? आप लोगों को पता है बैंक अकाउंट कैसे खोलते हैं? सो लेट अस रीड द टेक्स्ट टू नो द प्रोसेस फॉर ओपनिंग एन अकाउंट इन अ बैंक. तो यहाँ पर हम प्रोसेस जानेंगे. ज्योति's examination were over, but her brother's examination were not over yet. So her parents decided that they would not go anywhere during the vacations. What should I do during the summer vacations? Asked Jyoti to her friend Nalima. Nalima suggested that she could run the hobby classes, and Jyoti did so. She was delighted to earn 5,000 rupees during the vacation. Her mother asked her to deposit the money in the bank, so she went to the bank. She was given an application form by the clerk. He also told her how to fill in this form. She did as she was told. She filled in the form, fixed her photographs, and returned it to the clerk. The entries were checked by the head clerk, Mr. Santosh. Then her specimen signature was attested by the manager. After that, she was given a pay-in slip. She fills in the slip. She handed over 5,000 rupees along with the slip to the cashier. The money was deposited by him, and she was given a receipt from it. She has got the account number. Then the clerk asked her to come to the bank after 2 days. She went there after 2 days. She was given a passbook and a checkbook. The entry of the deposit money was there in the passbook, and it was made by a computer. So now she has an account with the bank. Whenever she does some work during the holidays and gets some money, she deposits it in the bank. She does so because she knows her money is safe in the bank and it will grow there. She will get interest on it. She can also withdraw the money from the bank whenever she needs. She can use a checkbook to withdraw the money. Isn't she very wise? क्या वो बहुत ज़्यादा बुद्धिमान है? So what do you think बच्चों? आपको समझ में आया बैंक में अकाउंट कैसे बनाना है, खुलवाना है? सो अगर आपका अकाउंट नहीं है तो आप अभी जब भी आप वीडियो सुनेंगे प्लीज़ आप जाइए और अकाउंट खुलवाइए. इट्स वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. हेलो बच्चों, हाय पूर्वी ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ पर्सनल ट्यूटर चैनल. आज हम लोग क्लास 6 राजस्थान बोर्ड इंग्लिश का चैप्टर नंबर 15 द मॉनसून फेयर पढ़ने वाले हैं. सो स्टार्ट करते हैं. द मॉनसून फेयर. सो डू यू एंजॉय गोइंग टू फेयर और मेला? कि आपको भी मेले में जाना, फेयर में जाना पसंद है? विच फेस्टिवल्स आर सेलिब्रेटेड विद द मेलाज इन आर प्लेसेस? हमारी प्लेसेस पर जहाँ पर हम रहते हैं वहाँ पर कौन सा फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट होता है, कौन से फेस्टिवल के बेसिस पर मेला लगता है? शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स द मेला यू लाइक द मोस्ट एंड टेल देम ऑल दैट इज़ देयर इन द मेला। सो आपको ये अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करना है और ये आपको मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके भी बताना है कि आप कौन सी प्लेस से, आपके यहाँ पर मेला किस टाइप से लगता है, क्या क्या स्टॉल्स लगती है, ऑल दिस है। The fair described in the poem here is the one held in the Udaipur, Rajasthan. The fair stretches from the shore in Nepal of the Fateh Sagar to the Sahelion ki Badi. Large crowds of men and women from the entire town and the surrounding are as seen celebrating together all day. The fair lasts for the 2 days, and the last day is of women's only. Let's read and enjoy this poem. The roads are blocked, the people flocked, from the village far and near to the monsoon fair here. Decorated dolls with skirts of foil, a dog that crawls and the snake that coil, are some of the wares at the monsoon fair. Gur ghevar and jalebi, petha and gulab halwa, chaat, corn and pani puri, namkeen and malpua are some of the treats on the monsoon streets. Trembling boxes on the merry-go-round, dragon swings and driving car, tooting horns with great big sound, shooting arrows with the stars, are some of the games on the monsoon lands. बच्चों कैसा लगा आपको ये मानसून फेयर? आपको ये बताना है कि आपके एरिया में किस टाइप का फेयर लगता है, फेयर में कौन से फेस्टिवल के आसपास फेयर लगता है, क्या क्या स्टॉल्स लगती है, कौन कौन से झूले आते हैं, आप लोग किस टाइप से एंजॉय करते हैं, और जो भी है वो सब आपको मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना है। हेलो बच्चों, हाय पूर्वी ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ पर्सनल ट्यूटर चैनल। आज हम लोग क्लास 6 राजस्थान बोर्ड इंग्लिश का चैप्टर नंबर 16 स्वामी त्योन राम जी पढ़ने वाले हैं। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Whose picture is this? Do you know something about him? Let us learn more about स्वामी त्योन राम जी। ये किसकी पिक्चर है? क्या हमको इनके बारे में कुछ पता है? चलो नहीं पता है तो हम इस चैप्टर में पढ़ते हैं। स्वामी Tyon Ramji was born at the village of Khadu, district Hyderabad of the Sindhu Pradesh, which was presently in the Pakistan, on July 6, 1887. His father's name was Chelaram and mother's name was Krishna Devi. They were religious and a cultured person. Mother lured Shivoham to make the child sleep, so the child Tyoram acquired the good and the religious qualities from his childhood. He liked and sang the devotional songs. Even he would ask his friend to sing Ramdhuni. In the school too, he would sing the devotional songs. He would serve the Sris and the sages who visited his homes. He would listen to their kirtan. He performed miracles right after his boyhood. Once he went with his companions to the bank of river Sindhu. The companions started bathing in the river. Tyon Ram didn't bath. He took care of his companion's cloth. Suddenly, a companion named Khillu started roaring. All the child started crying. Tyon Ram immediately jumped in the river. He brought the child alive out of the river. Tyon Ram's age was only 12 years at that time. At the age of 16, he became the disciple of Sufi Sant Asharamji and started pressing satsang. For the propagation of the Sanatan Dharma, he formed a Sant Mandali, a group of Sikhs. It was named Prem Prakash Sampradaya. The core tenet of the cult was to turn people to God and to maintain the religious harmony by propagating the Vedic culture. He never criticized any religions. He had dedicated for both the bhakti and the karma. Some of the books composed by him was Prem Prakash Granth Brahmadarshini. He imparted 16 teachings to his followers. He left the world on 6 June 1944 forever. His disciple Swami Sarvanandji brought his sacred remains to Jaipur. Amarpura temple has been built for him and the Samadhi has been constructed in it. His statue has fixed in this beautiful temple with its minarets and a dome over it. Annual celebration in his honor and the memory are held here every year in the Krishna month. People from foreign countries also visit the holy place. Swami Tyun Ramji ashrams has been built in the various cities such as Haridwar, Ajmer, Pune, Nasik, Indore, Baroda, Delhi, Agra, Lucknow, etc. The ashram has been built in the foreign countries too. Satsang and the kirtan are organized in this ashram in the morning and in the evening. Grains, cloth and other things are donated to the needy. बच्चों आई होप कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी देन कमेंट इन कमेंट सेक्शन. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.